All right, YouTube subscribers, my name is Ray Shine, known as Ray Niz on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm showing you guys my 32-inch white Hampton Bay Minuet 2 ceiling fan due to the fact that the file number for the ceiling fan is E136322. This ceiling fan was manufactured by SMC, and this ceiling fan was made in China back in May of 1998. Now, I'm not going to go through all the details about this fan because that's what be making my video so long and stuff. So all I'm going to tell you is as far as the features and all that stuff. So the features about this fan is that it has 6 reversible blades from white to bleach oak, and it is 3 speeds and it's electrically reversible, and it's a tri-mount ceiling fan, meaning that it can be installed on a down rod on a flat ceiling, or it can be installed close mounted, which means that you can remove the down rod off the fan and screw this canopy up there directly onto the motor housing, or it could be installed on a down rod on your slanted ceiling, which is what you call your cathedral ceiling. So other than that, I'm just doing the video of this fan shown without the light kit. And the switch cap right here that you see came off of my 42-inch appliance white Emerson Pro Series 2 ceiling fan. Yes? All right. All right, sorry for the interruption, you guys. Yes, King. You hurt yourself? Careful, nephew. All right, so the switch cap that you see came off the 42-inch appliance white Emerson Pro Series 2 ceiling fan that I no longer own, as I installed it in my aunt's apartment. So other than that, I'm about to go on and demonstrate this fan starting off with low, and I'm just not gonna talk in the rest of the video. So I'm about to demonstrate this fan starting off with low.